UiFlow2's PWM function provides precise electronic signal control, allowing adjustment of motor speed, LED brightness, etc. by regulating frequency and duty cycle. Under the function expansion section on the left, expand hardware. Select the built-in hardware PWM function of the device. Click confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list, under the hardware directory, you will see the loaded PWM Blockly module. Drag the PWM initialization module to the workspace, configure the basic parameters, and you can start development. Example 1. Using pin 1 of the Core 3 host to drive a servo motor rotation via PWM function. The case in the video requires self-wiring. Above is the pin distribution diagram. Example 2. Using pin 2 of the Core 3 host to drive an LED blinking via PWM function.